Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the last question, that is 10th question of exercise 11.4, and we have to, so let's see if cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k, then put cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So this is a big solution. Let's see it. So we have, let's write the question. Cot cosecant theta plus cot theta is this as the first equation. Know the property that cosecant squared theta minus cot squared theta is equal to 1. Similar to the ninth question, I can divide this into two different parts, that is a plus b into a minus b. The given is a square minus b square. So this I can write it as cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta, that is equal to 1. And we are given the value of cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. So k into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. If I bring the k to the right hand side, I got the value of cosecant theta minus cot theta, which is equal to 1 by k. Next, I will consider this as the second equation. I want the values of cot and cosecant separately, because if I divide cot theta, if I divide cot theta by cosecant theta, then this cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, and the cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. This both will get cancelled, and the resultant is cos theta. So if I were able to find the values of cot theta and secant theta separately, then I can divide them to find the cos theta, which they told us to find the question. They told us to prove that cos theta equal to something. So we have to find the values of cosecant theta and cot theta separately. So to find cosecant theta and cot theta separately, first let's find cosecant theta. To find cosecant theta, add both the equations, add 2 and 1 first equation. So we have cosecant theta minus cot theta plus cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. This both will get cancelled. We have 2 into cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k, and cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. I brought that 2 to the right hand side. Let's consider as the third equation. And to find to find cot theta, let's subtract the second equation 2 from first equation. So second equation is, sorry, let's subtract, okay, let's say the second equation first. So second equation we have cot theta, which is negative. So I will subtract second equation from first equation. So first equation is cosec theta plus cot theta minus cosec theta minus cot theta, which is equal to k minus 1 by k. And if I open the brackets for the second thing, so this would be cosec theta plus cot theta minus cosecant theta plus cot theta. So this both cosecant thetas will get cancelled, and the LCM on the right hand side, which will be k square minus 1 by k. Now 2 into cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k, and bringing 2 to the right hand side, we have cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by k. So let's consider this as the fourth equation. Now we found both cot theta and cosecant theta separately, and to find cos theta we have to divide cot theta and cosecant theta. So let's perform the action. Fourth equation by third equation. So fourth equation we have cot theta by third equation we have cosecant theta is equal to cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by 2k, and cosecant theta we have k square plus 1 by 2k, and by after simplification we got this as cos theta. I have explained you before, sorry, cos theta, and this 2k gets cancelled, therefore it is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. That is the thing they told us to find. If cot theta plus cosecant theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. That is the thing we got. We got k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. That's it. So we started with, we took the property that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. We divided into a plus b into a minus b and found the value of cosecant theta minus cot theta, which we got as 1 by k. And to find cos theta, we need to divide cot theta by cosecant theta. So I found the values of cot and cosecant separately using the two equations we have. So if we added both the equations, we got the value of cosecant theta, and if we subtracted both the equation, we got the value of cot theta. And after dividing those both equations, the equation 3 and 4, we got the value of cos theta. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for more such solutions. Thank you.